Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Got myself a set of lawn darts. Cost me £1. I don't think we're going to get much for our £1, but I'm going to go and try it out over there. I'll take it out of the box first. It's supposed to stand 10 meters away. That's quite a distance. The dart should be held between forefinger and thumb. And we're supposed to do it underhand. Okay. Place the target circle and the throwing circle on the ground 10 meters apart. This can vary according to ability. Well, being as I'm on my own, I shall throw them all. And the circles don't want to open out. That's a good start. If I twist them a little bit on the join, that seems to free them up a bit. Right, 10 meters apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here somewhere. I'll tell you what, those are small circles. Okay, so 1 foot in the circle. Whoa, close. Too far. Okay. So blue gets 2 points there, because they're closest. Just looking, Candy Toys, Exeter. Keep coming across their toys. Foot in the ring. Too far. Too far. Ah. Okay. So green gets 1 point this time because they're the closest, but only 1 point. Back the other way. Well, that bounced right in it, but bounced out again. Too far. Oh, touching. Okay, 1 more point for blue, so blue is 3-1 ahead at the moment. Too hard. Too hard. Close. Oh, closer. Except I've forgotten which way the scores were going. I think that's now 3-2. Bounced in and out. Oh, bounced in and out. That's going to be close. Blue gets it. I reckon that makes that 5-2. That'll do. I reckon my grandchildren can cope with that. Except they'll probably end up throwing them at each other. Well, for £1, which is what it cost me, yeah, that'll do. So there we go, lawn darts from Candy Toys, I think it was. £1 in the charity shop. Helps if you can remember how to turn it to get it back into the small loop. I can never remember that. Oh, did it. Yeah, job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.